purpose of this chart is to help you determine if the wall height in your room will be sufficient to practice ATA targets. Now, there are two things that you're going to have to consider. First, we need to know how far you intend to stand back from the wall when you're shooting. And second of all, we need to know how tall you are. So we're going to start on this chart on the left-hand column, and we're going to pick out the distance that you're going to be standing back from the wall, and this distance is in inches. In my example, I'm going to select 144 inches. The next thing I need to answer then is, how tall is the shooter who's going to be shooting on this wall? And we have a range of from 58 to 74 inches. So all you have to do in order to determine the height of the highest target flying on your wall will be find the intersection then of the distance you are standing from the wall and the shooter's eye height. So in my example of 144 inches away from the wall, let's suppose I select that I'm 64 inches is my eye height, and therefore the highest target for ATA trap targets, and these are for 9-foot high targets, would be 77.2 inches. And so it's that simple. Just simply find the distance you're going to be standing from the wall and your eye height, and you'll be able to see exactly how high the highest target will fly on the wall. For skeet shooting, it's much simpler to determine how high the highest target will fly on the wall. And so you can see in the chart below that between 58 inches as far as a shooter's eye height and 74 inches, the variation remains 12 inches for each case. So in other words, all you really have to do is to determine your eye height and add 12 inches to it, and that will tell you exactly how high the highest skeet target will move on the wall. I hope that helps.